Okay.
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Can you close your eyes for a second, please?
Close my eyes. Do I stick up my hands?
Sure. Okay. Everybody on the camera, please hold. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. They're all behind me. That's why the camera's going in and out, everybody. Sorry, don't open.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my, they're falling.
Don't open. Ah!
Ah.
Okay, last one. Now you may open.
Oh, Star Wars Doorables. Oh, we do have a couple of these.
Wait, no, we didn't do these. These are the cruisers.
Oh my gosh, they're riding and things. Oh geez, how fun is that? Dad may need to, we may need Dad's hands in these.
Should we call for him? Oh, Toodles!
Toodles?
Yeah.
I don't think he's Toodles.
All right, I'll go get him. I'm sorry, what did you just say, Daddy? You like to be a what? A disconnected voice? No, he's purposefully not speaking despite everyone. All right, he has a donut hole in his mouth. We're going to be opening the Star Wars Galactic Cruisers. There's 10 to collect.
Oh my gosh.
We have 7.
Yes, I already took the paper off of one just to save time because nobody got time for all
Ain't
that
nobody got
boxing.
time for that. Woo! Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, yeah.
That'd be a cool way to open. Oh, okay.
The sides pop
All
out.
right.
Dad's going to start unwrapping
He's
the paper on them for Mom.
Unwrapping. Oh my goodness, they're like wrapped up. They look very...
Do you need help, Mom?
No, I'm just... Because this is the first time I've unboxed these, so now I know how they unbox.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, good. They're all wrapped up, which means we can skip this entire part for the next one.
Yes. So they are all wrapped up. Oh, Lordy. You know what? I'm going to probably try and guess the character first.
Okay.
Over the cruiser.
Fail.
Here, Mama.
Oh, yes. And here they... Yeah, I'm going to have to try... Oh.
And remember, the character and the cruiser will always match.
You know what? Right off the bat, I'm just going to guess Princess Leia.
Okay.
Oh, wait. No.
She's changed her mind already.
I changed her mind because I'm feeling ears.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, I would love it if it was a Wicket.
Well, why don't you open it up and find out?
Find out. No, I don't think it's that either. All right. Is it Ahsoka Tano?
Ahsoka Tano.
Ahsoka, see? And I was correct on the third try.
All right, let's get out her cruiser.
Yep.
You want to show everybody?
These are kind of fun. You know what? A child would love, some little Star Wars child would love these just to ride all along the street or their bed rail or something. So, woo, don't crash.
That actually rolls really well,
It
too.
does roll well.
Most of the time, you'll get things like this, and they go, and that really rolls. All right, Mom, pick up the next one. Start getting it unwrapped. Who do you think it is, Mom?
I'm gonna guess. My first thought was Princess Leia.
Okay.
So let's find out.
Are you right?
I think I am correct. No.
You're not correct.
No.
That's Rey, I believe. No, that might actually be Leia.
I think that is Leia. Wait. Oh yes, because look at the braid. She doesn't have her.
Yep.
She doesn't have her donut hair.
All right, let's get her put together.
Yes.
All right, Mama. Let's see it.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me get Princess Leia in the. Oh, there she goes. Look how cute this is, and look at it looks like a snowman in the back.
It does. I think that is a snowman.
It is super cute.
Okay, put it down.
And she is also a common along with the first one we opened.
All right, let's pick up another one. All right, Mom, who do you think it
I
is?
am guessing Darth Vader because they're holding something. Oh, no, it's not. It's Grogu.
So even better. This is our first Grogu.
Yes, we like Grogu.
Yes, we do. All right, let's get him put together.
Pew, pew. Look at dinner behind. Grogu is super cute. Super cute.
He is. All right, Mom. On to the next one. All right, Mom, who do you think this
I
is?
believe this is another dupe. I believe this is
Ahsoka.
Ahsoka. Thank you for correcting my pronunciation. And am I correct? Yes, I am.
All right, let's get her in her cruiser, and then maybe we'll have to find somebody to give her to.
Yeah, find another
Yeah.
Star Wars fan.
Yeah. All right, here is our duplicate Ahsoka. Time to open the next one. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I believe this is either Chewbacca or C-3PO.
If we get Chewbacca, he's the special edition.
And also, Grogu was a rare. Oh, no, it's Princess Leia. How did I goof? Okay.
Okay, so we have 2 Princess Leias now.
Yes.
So let's get her put together, and then we'll go on to our last 2. Who do you think it is, Mom?
I'm going to guess C-3PO.
Okay.
Let's find out. No, I actually love the little Wicked.
Oh, look at how cute. So, Wicked Warwick is a common, but he is adorable.
he is
So,
adorable.
let's get him in his cruiser. Here is Wicked Warwick, all set up. Mom is on to the last one.
Yeah.
All right, Mom, who you think this one's Ahsoka?
I think this one is Ahsoka.
Do we want to leave this one boxed and give it to Karen?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Let's do that. So that is our last one here. We did get a bunch of dupes, so we only got 4 out of the, 10 cruisers? So there are some more that we can get. So maybe I'll find some more of these on sale at some point. Right, Mom?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Mama. Anything to say to your fans?
Thank you for joining us for many unboxings today, but you probably won't see them all in one day.
Yes. All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.